YouTube Research tab is a new feature launched by YouTube in 2022. Many are now using this feature as a research tool, and some have no idea on how it works. Okay, just like any other keyword research tool you know out there, there is a premium version and a free version, but for YouTube it's completely free. And there is a section that I found it very useful for creators, and we'll be discussing about that feature in this video on why YouTube Research tab is the best research tool. Now, YouTube Research tab is available in every Creator Studios, and to find it you need to sign in into YouTube Creator Studio, then go to your analytics, and under your analytics just click on Research tab. Once it opens, it looks like this. Now under this we have another three sub tabs. The first one is searches across YouTube. So here you can find what is being searched on YouTube in general, right? When you click on search tab down here, you can just type in any search term you want or topic, and as an example I just type in best camera 2022. Then after that hit enter on your PC. Keyword suggestion related to what you provided in this search tab here will be displayed down here on your screen with their search volume. So if your search volume is high, just know that search term or keyword can really help you get more views. In each search term or keyword here at the end, we have these three dots right here. You can click on it and these options will come up on your screen. So first you can check the trend of that keyword or search term on Google Trends, right? As you can see, mine in the last 12 months it has been trending. So this is the best method of comparing these keywords before using them in your videos. You can also save that search term for quick access every time you want to access them and use them in your videos by clicking on these three dots right here. Then next just click on save option. We have another interesting tab right here, and this is your viewers searches. So when you click here, you will be able to see exact search term your viewers or people who are watching your videos are searching on YouTube. So I think this is cool feature for creators. YouTube is trying to help creators understand what their viewers are interested in, and as you can see mine here, these are the search term my viewers are searching on YouTube. So if you use this search term to create videos, you will have more chances of getting a lot of views on your channel. On other search term, there's a content gap option below them, and if you put a cursor on this circle question mark, you'll be able to understand, or these options will pop up letting you understand what it means and how it works, right? So content gap can happen when viewers can't find any results for their searches, and often when they type in search tab, the result is opposite with what they are looking for, right? And another way a content gap can happen when viewers can't find exact match for their searches. Lastly, a content gap can happen when viewers can't find relevant videos for their searches, and it may be old or low quality. So here you can take advantage of this search term and fulfill the need of your viewers by making or creating suitable content for them. So again, to save the search term, just click on these three dots right here, then next click on save, and that search term will be saved. Now the last tab is saved tab. So here you can easily find the search term or keyword you saved before if you want to use them in making or creating content on your channel. So generally YouTube Research tab, or I can call it a YouTube Research tool, is the best for creators. You can give it a try, then after that just let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about a YouTube Research tab, right? So guys, that's all I can share with you about YouTube Research tab. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.